how to go paperless with Geico billing and policy documents. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. So, to go paperless, sign up. It's Snap. Activate your online account to take advantage of your paperless options. You can enroll in paperless billing or paperless policy or both. When a new bill is ready or new policy papers are available, they'll send you through an email. Then you can simply log into Geico's Policy Service Center to review your latest policy documents. And in this way, you will go paperless. And also, you get your bills faster and more conveniently as they will email you as soon as the bill is ready. This is how to go paperless with Geico billing and policy documents. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.